Running large language models in enterprise production isn't just an engineering challenge, it's a cost architecture problem most teams discover too late. Azure OpenAI promises managed, secure, enterprise-grade access to GPT-4 and beyond. But the gap between that promise and production reality is where enterprise AI infrastructure budgets quietly collapse. Let's tear it down. Azure OpenAI is Microsoft's hosted inference layer on top of OpenAI's models, built to give enterprises data residency, compliance controls, and SLA-backed uptime. The pitch is simple: stop managing model infrastructure and focus on building. The reality is you're trading infrastructure complexity for quota complexity, and at scale, that's brutal. Azure OpenAI operates on two distinct throughput models: pay-as-you-go token pricing and provisioned throughput units, or PTUs. PTUs are reserved capacity. You buy a fixed throughput floor, and Azure guarantees consistent latency, but you pay whether you use it or not. On pay-as-you-go, Azure OpenAI rate limits are measured in tokens per minute and requests per minute. These ceilings are regional, model-specific, and not auto-scalable. You file a quota increase request and wait. Multi-tenant isolation works through deployment-level resource partitioning, not true physical separation, meaning noisy neighbor effects remain possible on shared tiers. The real Azure OpenAI pricing trap is PTU commitment math. A single GPT-4 PTU commitment can run into the low thousands per month, and Microsoft's own sizing guidance requires load testing before you commit. If your LLM production scaling pattern is spiky or unpredictable, you'll either over-provision PTUs and burn cash, or under-provision and throttle at the worst possible moment. Input and output tokens are billed asymmetrically, and cached prompt tokens reduce cost, but only if your architecture is designed around prompt caching from day one. Azure OpenAI is a serious enterprise platform, but it rewards teams who model their token economics before signing anything. For stable, high-volume, compliance-bound workloads, PTUs can deliver real value. For variable or experimental workloads, pay-as-you-go will bleed you through throttling and unpredictable cloud AI inference cost spikes. If Azure's quota architecture doesn't fit your pattern, AWS Bedrock offers model-agnostic inference with on-demand and provisioned modes, and Google Vertex AI delivers tight GCP integration with its own throughput commitment options, both worth serious evaluation. Links to Azure OpenAI pricing and PTU sizing guidance are below. Check them before you commit $1.